Hello, this video is going to walk through completing data exercise 3. And so the first thing we'll do is download our instructions and our file. And those should appear down at the bottom, and then they should wind up in your download folder unless you've altered that setting. And when you get to the instructions, you'll see that we're doing a one-sample hypothesis test. And we're going to be looking at a question, a hypothesis. The mean weight of the sample is 80 pounds, and the alternative is that the mean does not equal 80 pounds. So we'll open our file. Alright, so I've got the file open, and we're going to go to Analyze, come down to Compare Means, and one sample t-test. And you're going to want to sort this alphabetically. I've already got the variable over. But once you've sorted it, you'll be able to find it and move it into this box. And we want to look at our test value of 80 pounds. Now we're testing that the mean of the sample is 80. And for options, we get to specify our confidence interval. 95% is what we want, so we'll just leave that. And so we'll just click OK, and then our results appear. And this should go in your report. And you'll have to interpret this on your own.